Hello students, a very good day to all of you. Hope you all are healthy and safe at home. So students, let's start with the first chapter of Civics, that is Understanding Diversity. Before moving forward, let's know what are the learning outcomes of the chapter. After the completion of this chapter, you will be able to understand that first, every individual is unique. There may be differences in color, gender, or social and economic status. Second, the story of both Samir Ek and Samir Do makes us understand not only diversity but also inequality in the resources and opportunities available to different people. Various form of diversity and concept of unity in diversity. Next, topics which will be covered in the chapter are first, meaning of diversity, second, how people are different, third, we will know the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do, which is being taken from the book Lights Changed, whose author is Poili Sen Gupta. After that, inequality and how it is different from diversity. After that, we'll know the topic Diversity in India, under which we will cover reasons of diversity in India, various forms of diversity, and understanding diversity through an example of Ladakh and Kerala. And the last topic we'll do is unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. So students, let's start with the first slide. What is diversity? In short, diversity means the difference, like how we are different from another. So, diversity means understanding that each individual is unique and recognizing our individual differences. Differences can be in the form of religion, region, gender, caste, looks, hobbies, taste, your interest areas, etc. The second topic is how people are different. Students, if you look around you, everyone differs from you in one way or another. It may be in the form of like how we live, what languages we speak, what we wear, what we eat, what games we like to play, which festivals we celebrate, what we love to do in our free time, our favorite color, our favorite dance form, our favorite singer, our favorite subject, and there are many other reasons by which we can differentiate ourselves with others. Even twins who look similar or our own siblings too have different taste, personality, and preferences, which may differ from us. So, to understand what is diversity, let's solve an activity. It's on page number 4 of NCERT book. Can you see on the left hand side of the book? So there are 4 filling the blanks. First one is when I go out, I like wearing. You have to fill in all the filling the blanks. Okay. So when you go out, what you like to wear? Second filling the blank is at home, I speak in which language? Third, my favorite sport is. And fourth, I like reading books about. So students, pause the video and fill in all the blanks. I hope you filled it and I filled it too. So when I go out, I like wearing jeans and shirt. At home, I speak in Hindi. My favorite sport is badminton and I like reading about skill development books. So your answers may or may not be similar to me. We can also have different answers or similar answers, right? So before moving further, also students try to match the answers with your friends. Okay, so now, well, we have differences, but we have similarities too, right? Like example, does we all belong to same school? If we all belong to same school, then answer is similar, right? If my answer is St. Mary's and your answer is also St. Mary's, so is it similar? Yes. So do we all belong to same country? If my answer is India, yours is also India. It may also happen that answer can differ. I just want to explain that answer can be similar also, it can be different also. Like we have completed the previous activity. My favorite sport was badminton. It may happen your favorite sport is badminton too. So here our answers are similar, right? And if your favorite sport is cricket, so that is different from my favorite sport. So thus we can conclude that though we may have differences, but we also have similarities. So we can say similarity and differences are two sides of one coin. And to highlight this thing only, we have a small interesting story in our book, that is Lights Changed, whose author is Poili Sengupta. This story is on page number 4 of NCERT book under the heading Making Friends. This story is about two boys in which both of them had same name. They used to meet every day at traffic light crossing. Out of two, one used to sell newspaper and other Samir used to cross from that place every day from his bicycle. So, by time meeting again and again, they became friends and they got to know each other. So, as they both had similar names, they decided in themselves that Samir, who passes from cycle, would be Samir Ek, and other Samir, who sell newspapers, will be Samir Do. So students, that's all for today. You have a homework that you have to read the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do from page number 4 and 5 of your NCERT book. And also you have to find any three differences between Samir Ek and Samir Do. So we'll meet in next class with another topics. Thank you students. Take